I'm Mike Esker, otherwise known as This Old Geek, and this fella here is a puppet that I made maybe 5 or 6 years ago. Now this type of puppet is referred to as a sack puppet, mainly because the body is pretty much like a sack, and it's also referred to as a live hand puppet because, as you can see, I have my hand inside here. This is kind of like a glove. Now it only has 4 fingers, and of course I have 5. There's my thumb in here, my index finger, my middle finger, and my ring and pinky are together in this last one here, so I had to make it big enough to fit my hand. Now, although this is my own design for the puppet, the technique to make this type of puppet I got from kreudinger, who is a puppet master, and he has his own YouTube channel called Puppet Nerd, and I'll put a link to it down below. He has lots of wonderful tutorials on how to make different types of puppets, this type of puppet and many others. Also, I'd like to thank everybody for getting me up to over 1,000 subscribers. It took me a long time just to get that far, and I hope you will continue to support me and watch my videos. I do intend to get some newer videos and newer projects on. I know most of my videos have been pretty random. I mean, you know, I figure it's called This Old Geek, so that pretty much leaves the door open for just about anything that I do. I like to share all the different things that I enjoy to everybody. So I will have some more puppet videos, however, coming out, and I'll try to get them on as soon as I can. I just have a lot of stuff going on, and I'm trying to get them finished. But until then, you can enjoy my other videos that are on my channel. So that's all. Just thank you very much. Keep supporting my channel and have a great day. Hello, me again. I almost forgot. I do not have a name for this puppet. So if you can think of a name for this puppet, now it can be any name. It can be boy or girl, doesn't matter. Let me know in the comments below, and I will pick one of those names to name this puppet. So, bye again.